My practice areas at Miracle Law include estate planning, trust administration and probate, guardianships, and conservatorships. Hands down, my favorite is estate planning. Why? That's one of the few times you'll work with an attorney before you have a problem and you have an opportunity to craft a plan. You are in the driver's seat. Estate planning can be intimidating and emotionally charged. Money and emotions are always entangled with one another, and these feelings are intensified when people consider their own mortality. This is true even if everything outside them is calm and stable. In addition, the future tax laws and estate laws are uncertain. One of the mantras I like to tell clients is that death is not a problem. It is an inevitability, but it can come suddenly. When crisis occurs, that's not when you want to be looking on the internet for a lawyer. 100% of us will die. 100% of us don't know when. And the vast majority of us will own some kind of property when we do. Estate planning is kind of like making an airline reservation. In order to travel, you've got to know what airport you're flying to and flying from, where you are now and where you want to be, the time frame for the trip, when this will occur, which is anytime, and you also want to know the cost of the trip. We plan in other areas of our life with retirement, life insurance, college savings, long term care planning. Estate planning is just one facet of life planning. It deals with what happens if you can't make your own decisions and what happens with your property when you pass away. Not only is estate planning practical, but it's deeply personal. As a parent myself, I understand the desire to protect your children and the deep concern who would care for them if you couldn't. There are many unique situations that need tailored estate plans. Blended families, special needs children, family businesses, family cottages, and children who need financial protection for whatever reason. This is all about helping clients with their legacy. And as they say in one of my favorite musicals, Hamilton, what is a legacy? It's planting seeds in a garden you never get to see. With estate planning, I strive to meet clients' needs and goals while avoiding unnecessary complexity or fees. I want them to understand an area that may be confusing. It may not be fun to talk about, but that's not going to make it go away. You want to control your property while you are alive and well, to take care of yourself and your loved ones if you become disabled, and to give what you want to who you want in the way that you want at the lowest possible cost to you and to those that you love. Creating an estate plan is done out of love. It relieves the burden on your family. Administering the estate plan typically occurs during a time of intense grief. So do whatever you can now to make the process simpler later. I see families in crisis regularly because there's no legal authority for them to act or no set procedure on how that will take place. That can be prevented entirely with estate planning, and it's much less stressful to plan earlier. I love estate planning because I see the relief in clients' eyes when they finish their plan, have it in place, and they know that it aligns with their goals. I know I'm providing sound guidance that's accurate and based on the client's specific situation. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video. We really appreciate it and hope that you found the information we shared helpful. If you're currently facing a legal issue and need some guidance, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.